Inbox flooded with promotional emails from the same sender? Here's how to delete them all in 30 seconds. At the top of Gmail, click on the search bar and type the email address you are looking for. You can copy and paste it into the search bar if you wish. When you are ready, press enter. Gmail will now show every email from that person or company. In the top left, click the checkbox to select all the emails shown on the page. If Gmail shows a message saying, "Select all conversations that match this search," click it. This selects every email from that sender, even ones on other pages. Now click the trash icon at the top. All emails from that sender will be moved to the trash. Important. Before you empty the trash, double check you've selected the right emails. Once they're permanently deleted, they can't be recovered. If you want to remove them completely, open the trash folder. Click Empty Trash now. That's it. All emails from that sender are fully deleted. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.